Unlike George Charamba, toona kuti CH Mukungunugwa anozikanwa kuti he is one of the people vari the ruling party ZANU-PF vano publicize anything to do with their party. Vane kamwe kakutukirira panguva inoi oya achi celebrate the life ya Comrade Bombshow awachispreada aiwa hate speech pamusoro peupenyu wa Comrade Bombshow. Zvisada pena mashoko onyasobuda panguva inoi vanhu havanyasi kuuya vachitaura zvakasiyana siyana pamusoro pamukungunugwa aiwa vasingafari ne a post yaita ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Unlike George Charamba anyasokuuya kati aiwa ngatimboisai ma differences kure, ngatimbo-celebrate upenyu hwe war veteran Blessed Geza. CH Mukungunugwa anobuda nyora achiti the liberation credentials and in the bush are sacred, but they are not a lifetime license to undermine the peace they were meant to secure. Blessed Geza's passing closes a ledger of real sacrifice and sobering contradiction. He answered the call of the second Chimurenga for independence and aligned with the third Chimurenga for land justice. His place in that history is secured, yet his final chapter stands as a stark caution. When revolutionary stature is wielded to incite division and endanger national stability, it forfeits moral authority. True liberation legacy is measured not by the noise one makes at the end, but by the peace one leaves behind. It demands discipline, restraint, and an unyielding commitment to protect the nation above personal grievance. Zimbabwe's peace is a hard-won, fragile asset. It must be guarded, especially from those who once fought for it. Thomas wanoyashitagwa namukungunugwa pamusoro pe the passing yaita Comrade Bombshow. Pina comment section medu muzofungura eimori kudi pamusoro pe his speech ya deliver. Pina comment section medu musawana subscriber, kulaika pamwe chete nekutena on the bell icon.